Hi, it's Mike from Nonprofit Productive. If you're like me, for many years, I would go through my productivity apps and search and hunt and peck and spend so much time looking for the right note that I had to reference later or an item in my to-do list. And then my eyes were opened and I discovered keyboard shortcuts. In this video, I'll be showing you 3 of my favorite keyboard shortcuts that I use in Nozbe, and I hope you find it helpful. If you do, make sure you subscribe to this channel and like it. So there are so many shortcuts in Nozbe. You can just search the web for keyboard shortcuts for iOS, Mac, Windows, or on the web. But I'm just going to show you 3 that I use all the time. And the very first one is simply to add a task. So I am in the My Nozbe version of Nozbe. And one could simply go down here on the right and hit the plus button. Fine. But you can also simply type in N. How cool is that? I mean, just that is awesome. I know that sounds like such a basic thing, but it's not command something else. It's not, control option command something else. It's just the letter N for new task. So that's the first one. Second one is I can simply type in 1 to bring me up to priority, or 2 to move me into incoming, or 3 down to activity, or 4 single tasks. Again, just simply typing in 1, 2, 3, 4. That is so cool. And again, if you're thinking, well, what's the big deal? I can just type on it. Yes, you can, but the more you build the muscle memory into your keys, your keyboard, your fingers, they don't have to reach over for a mouse or a trackpad. The third one is just simply the universal entry, and you can access this anywhere. And on a Mac, it's Control-Shift-N. And here I can type in again, call Dave. And what's so cool about Nozbe is I can either with my mouse hit the number sign there, or I can simply enter it in. And here's where I can put in all kinds of different things, the dates, the particular project, whatever it might be. And then what's cool is you can actually make those stacked on top of one another. So I could do, let's see, tomorrow. Hit enter, and then I want to specify it to a list. So I'm going to say this week, enter, and voila. Then it's going to enter here. There's call Dave. How cool is that? Again, there are so many keyboard shortcuts in Nozbe. These are just 3. I mean, you probably have 3 of your own that you absolutely love, but these are ones that I use all the time, and I just find them absolutely invaluable. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.